Hello friends, and welcome to Cooking with Rod. All the ingredient amounts will be down in the description below, and you can pause the video as you do each step of the recipe. If you make this recipe, please leave a comment and let us know how it went. Alright, today we're making apple turnovers. These easy apple turnovers are flaky, buttery, and filled with a warm cinnamon apple filling. All made with store-bought puff pastry for a bit of a shortcut that still tastes like bakery quality. In this video, I'll show you how to make golden, crispy apple turnovers step by step, from cooking the apple filling to folding and sealing and baking them to perfection. These are perfect for dessert, brunch, or a quick sweet treat with coffee. So here we go. Okay, first we're gonna core, peel, and dice 3 medium apples. You can use any kind of apples you like here. Granny Smith seems to be the preferred apple for making apple pie and apple turnovers, but you can use any kind of apples you like. Then we're going to prepare our baking sheet with parchment paper or a silicone pat. We're going to preheat our oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. Then we're going to remove our puff pastry from the freezer and follow the instructions on the box for thawing it out. Now in a skillet over medium heat, we're going to melt our butter. We're going to add our diced apples, our brown sugar, and cinnamon. We're going to cook that for 4 to 5 minutes until the apples just begin to soften. Then we're going to stir in the cornstarch, lemon juice, and vanilla and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Then we're going to spread out our puff pastry and cut each sheet into 4 squares for a total of 8. Now we're going to put a spoonful of the apple filling on each square, leaving a border around the outside. Using an egg wash, we're going to brush all the edges. Then we're going to fold them in half diagonally and crimp them with a fork. We're going to brush the top with the egg wash. Then we're going to put some slits in the top of the turnovers to allow the steam to escape. Place those on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Then we're going to place those in the preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes until they're puffed up and golden brown. Okay, we're going to let those cool slightly. Now there's 2 ways you can finish these off. You can dust them with a little powdered sugar, or you can drizzle them with a little bit of icing. Or you can do both. So there you have it. Apple turnovers. Enjoy. The complete written recipe will be in the description box down below, so check that out. If you like my content, I'll put a couple of videos that you can watch until my next upload. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share with your friends. We'll see you next time.